How you doing, guys? Welcome to another episode of ranking your drone photography business on search engine. It's basically free. All you have to do is learn and invest your time, and you can get all the success that you ever wanted. Just keep grinding and hustling till you make it, right? My name is Nip Thatch, and let's get on board. In this example, guys, I want to talk to you about generating backlinks coming back to your website for keywords that you want to rank. For example, drone photography in a suburb like Gold Coast, Melbourne, London, etc. You can rank for those keywords by using free social media websites, okay? Such as, so this is my website here. You can use Pinterest. Pinterest is a cool little website that you can look into. You can, so basically you're posting pictures and stuff like that on Pinterest, and it will link back to your website. So I have heaps of different posts here, guys, from my winery tour business, my drone, my lawn mowers, and some of it's my clients' water features, etc. And also you can use Tumblr. I got a Tumblr dedicated page, my blog for drone services and stuff about my drone. So I'm linking pages and videos onto back to my website. So you click enter this link, we'll go back to my website, go back to my YouTube channel. So I got a few of different channels for different things that I provide, right? So this is two really good, powerful social media tools that you should be utilizing when you're trying to dominate on search engine, okay? That's one ways to start getting ranking and start doing digital marketing for your drone photography business, guys. Go out there, see you later. Stay tuned next time, bye.